What's up, y'all? It is tea time with Jenny Moons, and it is time to spill the tea on Amethyst. Okay, that was really retarded. You guys know that's not me, but I am making tea, and I am going to talk about Amethyst today. So hopefully you know what Amethyst is. If you don't, it's a pretty purple rock. Now, why do we care about Amethyst? Hold on, let me pour my water. Yes, I am legitimately making tea, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Now that my tea is brewing, let's get back down to business. So, amethyst is probably one of the most prevalent stones that you will ever find. These crystals are literally everywhere. And why do we care? Because amethyst is not just a pretty crystal. Amethyst can actually set the mood, as in help calm you down. So it's a great one to have in your house to reduce stress. Who doesn't need less stress, right? So amethyst comes in all different forms. It comes in little tumbled forms. It comes in raw forms like these two beauties. Notice these are two kind of different colors. This one's a little darker than this one. It does range from almost completely clear, like you can barely see the purple, to super duper duper dark, like this color, like almost black. So you can have cut points like this one. This one's actually ametrine. So this is an amethyst that also has citrine in it. We'll talk about that some other time. You can have cute little cut ones like this. You can have what I like to call dragon's teeth, like this. These are some of my favorites. And then speaking of dragons, you can have carved pieces like this one. Now, there is also something called chevron amethyst, like this. This is a palm stone. It's kind of big to put in your pocket, but it's great to put in the palm of your hand. So amethyst, if you have a lot of anxiety, even depression, amethyst is going to help you process those emotions. This is a great healing stone. This is also a fantastic crown chakra stone. So if you know much about the chakras, amethyst is one you want to use for your crown. This connects you with your divine self, with your higher power. If you do a lot of praying or meditating, amethyst is a great one to have during that time. Amethyst has one of the highest vibrations out of a lot of the other quartz crystals. That's why it is so good with connecting us with the divine, because they are the ultimate vibration, right? They vibrate at such a high frequency that most of the time we can't see them. So one of my very favorites, it's also the February birthstone. So if you're seeing this in February, happy amethyst birthday month. But if you don't have any, get yourself some amethyst. I will put a picture of one of my favorite pieces on because I couldn't bring it with me to my work trip, but take a look. That's a piece that sits in my bedroom altar every single day, and it just helps to create a relaxing mood. So if you have trouble relaxing, put some amethyst in your relaxation area. See if it makes a difference. If not, it's still a pretty rock. Makes the decor look nice, maybe upscale a little bit. And that all by itself, when you feel nice, you look nice, it makes you feel good. And that reduces stress all by itself. Totally worth it.